My name is Leon Gullickson and we live in Grande, Prairie, Alberta. I was just born outside of Toronto, but moved to Alberta in the Lethbridge area back in 1969. We moved to Grande Prairie 12 years ago. We had an opportunity to start the Southwest office in Grande Prairie, so my wife and I moved up here then. Again, we had worked with the owner of Southwest for years on other things, and we decided to move into construction, and we moved up here to start this office. So. Right now, I would say the CKC Grandstand, which is right behind us. We just finished it, just in time for the Alberta Summer Games. Right now, we employ approximately 20 directly, and then hundreds of local people, subcontractors and such. So we are lucky enough to live south of Grande Prairie on a small acreage, and we have some ATVs, and we do a lot of gardening and lawn mowing and hopefully some kayaking this summer. So we really work at hiring local people and local subcontractors. Any job we do, whether it's in Grande Prairie or surrounding communities, we do the same. We try and hire anybody and everybody local that we can. Well, there's been a lot of changes in the last while with the downturn. A lot of subcontractors and general contractors like us have been living with lower margins. It's been a very tough time. We've been busy, but it's very difficult to make money, and a lot of people and families are suffering some because of that. Well, I think infrastructure spending is important for our province, and I know there's been some reductions in that. I'd like to see some of the increases again in infrastructure spending. Of course, some of the new regulations are quite burdensome. We've had trouble getting projects done because of overtime restrictions and such, so there's a lot that can be done and changed. Yeah, as I mentioned, normally we would work 10 to 12-hour days when the weather is nice, and because of the overtime laws now, really there's not the money in the budgets to accomplish that, so it's very difficult to get projects done on the allotted time. And then also the employees suffer because they only get 8 hours in, and they're used to working when the weather's nice at 10 or 12s, and it's just too expensive for us and others to be able to handle that.